Are you trying to figure out your next vacation or maybe a weekend getaway? Or what about just a day trip for yourself, the family, or maybe as a couple?
Looking for something different that's fun and budget friendly?
Or how about discovering some new place with some new food, all while you're supporting the local communities?
Then you're at the right channel. It's all about food and places. Hi, my name is Clem.
And I'm Kim. Come along and explore with us on our adventurous journey, trying new food, new places, because on our channel we love doing the research for you.
We'll share different beach, parks, and other locations around the world with fun activities that are local favorites, and explain what they have to offer. For example, are they pet friendly? What are the hours that they need to be on there? Or what are the details needed in order to be there?
And we'll also point out some really yummy mom and pop places, and you'll be able to see the food that we're trying from different cultures all around the world. And while we're there, we will actually point out the three most popular dishes, I should say, that the locals feel that they're really good.
And to get started, check out our YouTube video, Bathtub Reef Beach from Stuart, Florida.
And don't forget to subscribe down below and to make sure you hit that all notifications bell. This way you don't miss out on any of our videos. And we hope our channel will take that guesswork out of where do we go next, what do we do next, while at the same time you're exploring new places and new food, and at the same time really supporting those local communities.